Want to update your birthday on the Wish app? Let's learn how to change it. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in today's video, I will show you how to change your birthday on the Wish app. So let's get started. First, open the Wish app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the settings option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Go to the account settings. Now, tap on the update profile option. In the birthday section, make the necessary changes to change your birthday. Finally, tap on the Save Changes option from the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can change your birthday on Wish app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.